Hi. The sides of a triangle are the lines y equal to 0, x minus 3y, add 5 is equal to 0, and 2x add y minus 7 is equal to 0. We need to find the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle. So we'll name this A, this one B, and this one C. Now y equal to 0, if we were to imagine x and y axis here, we'll assume that it must be C. So C will have as y equal to 0. And we'll try and label that y equal to 0. The rest are also determined based on information that they've given us. If we look at x minus 3y, add 5, and we rearrange this, we have that y is equal to a third x add 5 over 3. So this is x minus 3y add 5 equal to 0. We can see our gradient is positive, so it must be this part, this side of the triangle, because this shows a positive gradient. So we'll just label this equation as equation 2, and we'll put a 2 there. And if we were to rearrange this, we'll see that this has a negative gradient, and so it must be this line here, AB, or this side of the triangle. So we'll call this 3. So this is 3, this is 1. Now we need to find the coordinates of the vertices. Now if this line, number 3, crosses here and intersects with y equal to 0 at vertex B, so we have vertex B, then minus 2x add 7 must be equal to 0. So first I rearranged this to give y is equal to minus 2x add 7. And if we need to find the point of intersection here with this horizontal side and AB, so CB and AB, then the equations must be equal to each other. So minus 2x add 7 must be equal to 0, because y is equal to 0 here, and y is equal to minus 2x add 7. And so we can solve this to find x, which is 7 over 2. We know the y coordinate, which is y is equal to 0. So B is at 7, 2, and 0. Next, we'll look at vertex A. So vertex A. So we have the equations y is equal to a third x add 5 over 3, and we also have y is equal to minus 2x add 7. Again, this must be equal to this to find a point of intersection, which is the vertex at A here. So this gives us a third x at 5 over 3 is equal to minus 2x at 7, which evaluates to give us x at 5 equals to minus 6x at 21. So we have 7x is equal to 16. So x must be 16 over 7. When we substitute for x in this equation, we can find the y value, and that turns out to be 17 over 7. So the vertex A has coordinates 16 over 7 and 17 over 7. Vertex A, 16 over 7, 17 over 7. Lastly, we have vertex C. So we have y is equal to 0, and we have the other line, y is equal to a third x at 5 over 3. And so we equate this to get minus 5 over 3 is equal to a third x. So you have x is equal to minus 5, and we know y is equal to 0. So vertex C is at minus 5, 0. So just to summarize, we have A is at 7 over 2 and 0, B is at 16 over 7 and 17 over 7, and C is at minus 5, 0. Those are the coordinates of the three vertices of the triangle ABC. Thanks for watching this video. Please practice as many problems as you can. It'll make you a lot more confident and fluent, just like learning a language. Thanks for watching this video, and bye for now.